Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with R, who came in for his 1-year follow-up, and what a difference. You had the opportunity to look back at your 1-year pictures and tell us about your experience, tell us about the year.
Yeah, I mean, well, the surgery itself, it was not as bad as I thought it was. At the surgery, post-surgery, like the first month or two, it was probably like brutal. Nothing was really growing, but once it started growing, I love it. Like, I look back at the pictures now and I really cannot, I don't even remember it being as bad as it was. Now I don't have to wear a head anymore. I love it. I absolutely love it. I would recommend this to any and everyone.
It really was a huge difference. When I showed him the pictures, he's like, "Are you sure that's me?" And it's incredible what we do with each procedure. Like you said, it wasn't as painful as you thought it was going to be. And after 4 months, you really start watching it grow. And now you have full control over your hair.
Absolutely. It's amazing. It is amazing.
Go ahead. So I'm going to have you bend your head forward. And also look to your left. And now to your right. And as you can also see, there's minimal to no scar, and actually his barber did the fade a little bit higher, but he's going to go with a lower hair fade. But otherwise, so thankful that you came in. You look amazing. This is what I live for. And I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. R, thank you so much for being here.
No, thank you guys. You guys are great.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.